Racks on racks stuck together. Silver red talk to the devil. Racks on racks stuck together. Silver red talk to the devil. Rosetta Stones forever. High yellow, canary yellow. Hot chocolate Cinderella. Trap off a trap trailer. Blue paper stuck together. Bad bitch can fuck my bezel. Strapped up with heavy metal. Sip lean talk to the devil. High ticks stay confidential. AP or presidential. Never go against the ghetto. Stay true, got hoes in Belgium. New bitch, new car is levels. I piss codeine on peasants. Free band, you got to get.
Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the Cape Town trip. This is day 3 at this beautiful home in Bantry Bay. Before we get out and into the day, I just wanted to spend a moment just to talk about something that I'm a huge advocate for. So on the road to trying to achieve your goals, you often get into this rut, right, of trying to push yourself towards the highest level. But it's very natural to get into a rut, into a moment where you're just constantly doing the same thing over and over without seeing any type of results. So one thing I'm a huge advocate for is hacking that growth to success, or whatever you want to call it. And through doing these trips to Cape Town, to Joburg, and staying at these beautiful homes, we really get a sense of that sort of preempting what's going to happen in the future, living a life that we want to live in the future, in the moment. So if you do have the privileged opportunity of going with some friends, taking a trip to a very expensive villa, splitting it throughout all your friends, do it. Because what that trip does is that it just gives you so much more context, so much more motivation and perspective into what you're trying to achieve, and gives you way more renewed energy. So when you get back to the things that you're already doing, to hit it harder and better. So just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated on the whole day. We're gonna be shooting a 138 million rand property in Bantry Bay, a couple of supercars on the way. So yeah, stay tuned and let's get into it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to LP Vlogs. We are now in Villa 196 Kloof in Bantry Bay. Come on in. So as you come in through, I'm sure as you saw in the beginning, you walk in through the bridge, welcoming you into this very, very multi-level home. This home is built on a very, very steep hill going into the ocean. So yeah, there's a lot of cascading levels. Beautiful details here, as you can see, skylights everywhere. But before we go into too much detail, let me show you one of our favorite parts. So there's a nice 2-car garage in here, more parking outside. Elevator takes you downstairs to all the floors. Beautiful office. I mean, who wouldn't want to work here every day? When you have a meeting, telling all your friends and family about all the good news that's happening. Very beautiful table here. But yeah, as I said, we built on a hill here, so it's all about the views. All about the views. And yeah, there's a nice little balcony here. But yeah, as you can hear today, there's a lot of work happening in Bantry Bay. New builds. Oh, I didn't see this moment actually before. This glass here opens up, and you're actually able to see down there through to the other side of the courtyard. Can you see by the water? Yeah. And here, it's just these little moments here. And even here, this little garden that was built under the bridge that we were speaking about earlier. It's these sorts of things, these sorts of details that make a house feel special. But yeah, beautiful natural light everywhere. Yeah, so here's that garden here as well. From here you can see it. See some of my pet tigers and leopards here. That looks like a lion. It might be. Oh, I don't discriminate. So into one of the bedrooms here, going straight into the view. I mean, yeah, this is perfect. Beautiful. In a good way. This is outrageous. Yeah. But yeah, I like this little door section here that's been done for the toilet, or the water closet as you call them. That full walk-in closet is very beautiful as well. But yeah, moving on quickly. There's another bedroom in here. This also another bedroom here. Yeah. This has a standalone bath. But yeah, we actually don't want to show you too much of the details because we'll be spoiling the tour on the main channel. But yeah, one more floor down. As you can see, beautiful artwork everywhere. And if you've noticed now, these light pendants connect all the way there to the ceiling and dangle all the way down to the lower ground floor, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Anyway, lift would allow you to come here into this massive double height volume living area. As you can see here, big dining table, seating for 10, beautiful island. But before we go into the kitchen, there's a little outdoor spot there so you can enjoy a bit of the nature. But as you can see here, it's all about entertainment, having your friends, family, enjoying this cozy spot, enjoying the views. And yeah, built-in aircon, built-in speakers, as you'd expect from a house of this caliber, to be honest. And I love these little, it's a furniture piece, but these little onyx stone,
this is cool,
side tables. Yeah, very beautiful, very textured. But yeah, we're about to open up this whole place for the main tour. So all the lights will be on, all the blinds up, all the windows open, seating open. But yeah, just the small details. So this is a nice metal, it's cold to the touch, but still very cozy. Not even sure what finish it calls, like leathered finish, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have that nice little kick plate here.
Okay, that view behind you is just insane.
Yeah.
Like the glass, the greenery behind the glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just, while you're cooking here, it's not a bad sight.
Yeah. And the fact that the speakers also continue into this room as well, the attention to detail wasn't skimped out anyway. Yeah.
And this home is electronically connected to your iPad or phone, so you can switch on anything, anywhere in the world.
Yeah. This is one of the coziest pantries that you can have.
This is an entire kitchen.
Yeah, it's an entire kitchen, gigantic walk-in cool room. I wouldn't even say it's a fridge, it's like a cool, cold room, I guess. Yeah, outside access, but yeah, from here everything else just becomes about that view and that pool down there. Downstairs is what, part of the health center, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
We can do some training, do some yoga. And yeah, I think there might be even is a steam shower or a sauna?
Yeah, there's everything here.
Yeah. But yeah, going out into this view, infinity edge pool as you'd expect. Nice bright spot there. The speakers continue into here, so the party actually gets drawn out into here and you can actually enjoy it properly with your friends. And I mean, you can see how much space here there is. When you're standing here, sitting here, it's like you're sitting on the edge of the world and just enjoying your view out into the ocean. Yeah, man.
But this isn't our first time here.
Yeah.
So last time that we came here was through LP Media.
Yeah, it was LP Media work, so helping agents make their own marketing content for the sale of this property, as it usually happens with these sort of high-ticket properties. But yeah, I mean, we'll let the property speak for itself.
Many colors, it is never black and white. Can't have one without the other. The dark without the light.
Right, back at the apartment in Bantry Bay, just finishing off the video. Day full of action. So excited to be sharing the full tour of 196 Kloof Road with you guys. Will be posted on the full Let's Prop In channel. Just to close everything off, hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. Let us know what type of content you guys would like us to post on this channel, and as we've said, we'll show you bits and pieces of, well, I think we have shown you bits of pieces of this home. If you want a 5% discount, we'll put the discount code on the screen and in the description, so when you do go book this place via Knox Property, just smash that in and we'll give you a 5% discount. As always, from us at Let's Prop In to you guys, we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.